In front of me is a Realme 7, and today I'll show you how to reset the device through recovery mode. And to get started, let's hold power key. From there, slide down to power off. And once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and the volume down to gain access to recovery mode. There we can let go once you see recovery mode at the bottom. From here, select your language by simply tapping on it, then tap on wipe data, and if you have some kind of code, you will need to confirm it. If you don't, it will just tell you to insert some kind of random numbers. So as you can see, for me it's 26, 69, nice. And from there, tap on format data, again format, and the device will now begin removing all personal data. Now this will take about a couple minutes, and once it's finished, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.